Vlogs. From Team Strawberry, we greet you a happy birthday, Magic Vlogs, and I wish you more birthday to come, more candles of rose, and always good health. Si Magic Vlog po ay masiyahing tao. He's so very fun, and napakabait po niya. Personal po kami nagkita, second time na kasama kami, nag-camping. Magic Vlog is very nice person. Yung mapapatawa ka. Kahit hindi mo kami napatulog nung isang gabi na sa camping, ang saya-saya talaga. Hindi maarte, yun, hindi siya maarte. Of course, hindi maarte si Magic Vlogs. Basta natuwa ako, alam niya yan, natuwa ako sa kanya. Nag-meet kami and nag-stay kami for around 2 days. 2 days in 1 month. Magkasama tayo, and sana huwag kang magbago. Kahit lilipat ka na sa ibang daigdig, ay lilipat ka na sa China, stay contact. Nandito pa rin tayo sa circle of wide world. Tayo pa rin magkasama. And congrats sa bagong GC, Rice Bakers. Of course, hello to all Strawberry team. Team Strawberry, hello. Ayan, kaya ako naka-red kasi Strawberry, syempre. Ayan. And hello to Team Rice Bakers. Tayo po dito nakakasama. Tulungan and support with each other. Thank you po. Yun lang po, Maggie. Yun lang po, sis. Masasabi pa, kasaan po na always and more power sa ating YouTube channel. And say bye, everyone. And happy birthday again. Wishing you all the best and good health. Bye.
DJ, happy birthday, my dear friend. You are always beautiful and very kind. We wish you a happy birthday. Recorded it.
We enjoy already the song of Tishang of the her live because we English English speaking tayo. Those wrong mistake come to my guys. Vlog, welcome to my vlog. Vlog, welcome to my guys. Don't speak Tagalog because wrong mistake is $1, okay? Okay. $1 is $1. Where are we going now? You speak. We're going now.
Hello guys,
we're
going back home now because it's already time for us to. Our employers are now searching us. Searching.
Police?
Searching.
We are going now because we don't have enough money to spend. We eat pritong galonggo. Yes, it's very good. We eat ginamos. It's very so yes. Thank you so much, Sis Rana. No, thank you so much, Sis Rana, because you gave the ginamos. Thank you. Ginamos. tenemos?
Fish preserved fish. It's a preserved
So,
fish.
yes. It's so delicious, you know?
Because we are
All the friends inside, they taste it and then they said it's good.
very yummy.
The timpla.
The taste. The taste is not so salty.
Yes, and it's
So we just
good.
eat
Perfect.
it and
Masarap
eat it.
yun pag may pinya, no?
Hindi.
Why?
No, it's not good with pineapple, you know?
Oh, why?
Because pineapple is sweet. And
Because this one is very rich, guys. She don't eat vegetables.
just only eat
She don't eat vegetables, you know?
preserved fish, you know.
A little, little,
It's not yummy. But as I taste it,
She don't eat vegetables. Must
So,
eat vegetables
no,
because
I already eat little by little. Because of Wondervine Legaspi.
what's that? Uy, ang tuyo niya nakalimutan. I forgot the tuyo, you know?
Next time, you know?
Fish, dried fish. I like. It's for me. I want to cook.
$1 so pay with us because she always speak at Tagalog. We don't have enough time to go back there.
Next time we will get mad again. So next time you have to bring for me dried tuyo, you know?
Day, uwi na ako dahil
Sandali.
ako umupo na sa... Wala na, hinilo ako dahil kung saan. Hinilo. I think this is
We are going now because I will get this travel because I don't have octopus.
How to get?
There. Octopus.
Tap, up.
No, I hold this one because
water.
my money is. I don't.
Where you go?
Kolontong na.
No? Kolontong?
Yes. It's very far, you know, far places.
Very far. Yeah.
It's $21, you know.
Buy a shirt, but you know what? She don't know how to want to pay. Guys.
Oh,
She don't know how to pay.
I know. I know.
I know.
We are here, and the head is very sick. It's very sick.
I have headache.
So we had fun today.
So where you go for very
We have hold the very quick.
Yeah, we go there.
Where I go? Where I go?
Over there.
Over there and over here?
We go over there.
Yes, it's better we go over there so I can make 10-15 minutes video. So I have already video na.
So that you too? I saw you already. You too?
Wow, the aircon is very nice.
Today, our holiday we spend almost caregiver for the day.
We are from America. She's from UK. She's from United States of America. I'm from.
Yeah.
So you must do a stick. Right.
I know little bit Nepali language because I have a lot of friends.
Yes, me too. When I work in Saudi Arabia, I have a friend, Ethiopian, Nepali, and
Muslim.
yes. We say
Oh,
assalamu
we make it
alaikum.
in Harira?
Not hurry because I make 15 minutes video.
Lola
Na.
is always walking outside.
Let Lola stay there and make popo in the bed.
Lola. Don't sleep already, but why you still here? Lola said, Chichi is not coming back yet. So I'm still waiting Chichi to come back before I go to bed. You know?
This is the highest hyper talker.
Look, may police na. Bye-bye.
Where?
Bye-bye.
Where?
There on the side.
Saan tayo, sis?
Oh, dito kayong dalawa. Bye.
Bakit? Where are you going?
Say thank you to her.
Thank you so much, sis. I will see you later. Saan ba tayo? Ano, sis? Thank you, guys. Wait, ilang station ka? How many station you are? Pauwi na kami, guys.
To go.
Alone. Ayan nga.
Look at this game. You guys is It's a very
Ito yung binili ko. Ito yung
Don't
binili
worry.
ko.
Ah, yung binili mo? Oh, hello cellphone. You're a new. Wag mo nang palanguyin.
Kaya,
You know what?
Hindi! Lumihis yun siguro, ano? Yung hindi na, lumihis.
Hindi.
Nabuksan?
Nabuksan siya mismo na.
Kaya, hindi ko man na kasi marunong maganon-ganon. Sa susunod, wag
You
na lang,
know
ito na
what?
lang, ano, diba?
No.
Yes.
You need to buy something.
Thank you so much, guys.
One.
Saan ako sakay? I will go to the... Hello guys! Mag-picture nga muna tayo dito.
Welcome to my vlog.
Mag-picture tayo muna.
Go over there.
Where? Dalawa tayo?
Of course.
I-upload ko muna. Hello.
Hello, guys.
Yes, hello guys. Lang naman tayo ng hello guys.
Eh, ano man ba dapat? Hello girls. Hello boys.
Ano kaya? Sa susunod na kita natin. Kasi punta ako dito sa Sandiot.
Oh, ay ba? May nakatawa din.
Ay,
May nakatawa.
saan?
Kasi ang alam ko parang yung sabi mo, ilang linggo na ako.
Sino?
So may kasama ka?
Saan? Sino nga?
Yung dating kasama natin kumain.
Si Sis Che?
Si ano? Hindi, si ano, si Tess.
Sino? Hindi ko nakita.
Si Tess! Ng ano?
Lasing.
Ng...
Lasing, natakot pa ako. Diyos ko,
Big love
nakatakot.
shout out Marites Seba.
Ala, Diyos ko
I
pa.
know you're
ang
waiting
red.
me.
Ang red ng mata niya. Ano?
Today, Sunday.
Dal man ako.
I will
Dit,
not
nga muna tayo.
meet you up because
Sunday?
this Sunday, today is Sunday.
Uy,
Because of this young lady.
young lady.
Ay, alam mo na gusto mo, old lady.
Paano sa Sunday? Saan ba kayo pupunta? Ala. Ala. Ano daw? Punta kami sa Sunday. O, ala, lumayo na tayo dito, sis. Ala, Diyos ko, nakakatakot. Lumayo na tayo.
Hindi naman tayo kami.
Ala. Diyos. Ala, Diyos ko, nakakatakot. Tapos, yung paano yung ano natin. Tapos, ano. Yung bagtik. Balakaw. Nagtaray. Hala, sumurutag ni sis. Pulis na sis. Punta tayo sa may pulis.
Hindi, anong gusto tayo sa loob ng...
Ala, may African po nagalit sa amin.
Hindi kasi umalis tayo dun sa ano, katabi.
Ala, siyempre, alisan mo kasi lasing nga eh.
Kaya nga.
Oh, lasing nga lang naman lapitan mo.
Kaya nga, nagalit siya.
Kasi lumayo kami kasi lasing.
Hindi natin siya.
Oh, Diyos ko, I'm so... Ha? Katakot.